The E02 Candy washing machine error indicates an issue with the water supply to the machine. This problem can arise due to several reasons, and understanding the cause is the first step to resolving it. When your candy washing machine displays the E02 error, it typically means that water is not entering the drum as expected, which can disrupt the washing cycle. One of the most common reasons for this error is a closed or partially closed water tap. If the tap supplying water to the washing machine is not fully open, the appliance may not receive enough water, triggering the E02 Candy washing machine error. Checking and fully opening the tap is the simplest solution. Another possible cause is low water pressure in your household plumbing system. If the pressure is too low, the washing machine may struggle to fill with water within the expected time, resulting in the error code. This issue might require professional assistance from a plumber or your water supplier. A clogged inlet valve is another frequent reason behind the E02 Candy washing machine error. The inlet valve controls the flow of water into the machine, and if it gets blocked by debris, the water may not enter properly. Cleaning the valve can often resolve the issue. Blocked filters at the water inlet hose can also lead to this problem. These filters are designed to prevent dirt and particles from entering the washing machine, but over time they can become clogged. Cleaning or replacing the filters regularly can help maintain smooth water flow. In some cases, the E02 Candy washing machine error may result from a malfunctioning water inlet valve or a fault in the machine's control system. If the electronic components are not working correctly, the machine may misinterpret the water supply status and display the error code. In such situations, resetting the washing machine by unplugging it for a few minutes and then restarting it may clear the error. To fix the E02 Candy washing machine issue, start by checking if the water tap is open and if there are no kinks in the water hose. Ensure that the water pressure in your home is sufficient and that the inlet valve is clean and functioning correctly. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the filters and inspecting the water supply components, can prevent this error from occurring in the future. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Candy's customer service or a professional technician. Ignoring the problem for too long can lead to further damage to the washing machine, potentially resulting in costly repairs. Regular maintenance and prompt action when the E02 Candy washing machine error appears can help keep your washing machine running efficiently. By addressing minor issues early, you can extend the lifespan of your appliance and avoid unnecessary disruptions in your laundry routine.